Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, then welcome to the channel. Straight to the point today. This video is about do not believe everything you're told. Do not believe everything you see on platforms like this and other social media outlets, if you like. I came across a video yesterday. I'm not going to out anybody. I'm not going to slag anybody off or anything like that, or any products or anything. I'm just going to say my point on this. And this particular influencer was selling a power bank that claims that it can replace your leisure battery and your separate MPPT controller and inverters and stuff like that. It's all in one unit, and I think you add like an add-on for your alternator and then an add-on so you can connect it to your 12-volt fuse board, right? They were claiming that their old setup in their van cost them nearly £6,000. Oof. And I was thinking about my setup, and I was thinking, well, mine came in at just under £2,000. I have a huge 628 amp hour lithium battery. I'm not going to include the EcoFlow I've got, because I have got one of those as well, but just the van setup, 700 watts of solar, 2 MPPT controllers, 628 amp hours, and I can run it, charge it off my alternator, and I can charge it off shore power and all that kind of thing, right? I can run this van for days without any sunlight, any power coming in, easily, a week even, right? Now, that came in at just under £2,000, and this new setup for the equivalent power, because I looked it up on the website that I've got in here, came in at just under £6,000. I don't know what this person had in their last van, but if they spent £6,000 on it must have been pretty incredible. So I don't know whether I kind of believe that, to be honest. If they did spend that, then they got severely ripped off. And the other problem with this all-in-one thing, I know that technology's come along and power stations are great, and we all love them, and I've got one, it's great, I love it, right? But if you're going to put that kind of thing and rely on that as your main power for your whole van, and you're off-grid, etc., in the middle of nowhere, whatever, and that goes down, you've lost everything. If that power station decides to go poof or not work for any reason, you've lost all of your power. With separates, you've got the separate battery, the separate MPPT, the separate inverter, everything. If something goes down, then you just have to fix that one thing. If my inverter goes down, for instance, I've still got 12-volt power, and I've also got my EcoFlow, and then it's just a case of replacing that inverter. If an MPPT controller goes down, then I've still got the other one, so I'm still getting power in. This is the point. And my battery at 628 amp hours, you can buy them now for £800 from Folkstar, is relatively cheap. But what I'm getting at is a lot of people, and I was victim to this, because when I built this van, I listened to people on YouTube, and because I severely was underpowered when I went out, and we ran out of power like within 2 days. I didn't have enough solar, the battery wasn't big enough, etc, etc. I didn't even have an MPPT. It was the other type, which is rubbish in comparison, right? But because we wanted to go off grid, blah blah blah, like for long periods of time, it just wasn't adequate. I listened to people, and I bought what I thought was correct by what people were selling. They're selling it, aren't they? By what they're selling, and they're endorsed, and people are watching it and believing it. And I'm like watching this video, and I'm thinking, you're just giving people the wrong information here. They're going to spend a lot of money on something like this when they don't need to. So it just annoyed me a bit, and I just want, because I just want to. The purpose of me doing these videos is to share information and also receive information. And hopefully it can be helpful. So if you're doing a van build and you're watching these bigger channels and they're telling you to buy this and telling you to buy that and blah blah blah, just think about it, because they are endorsed by these big companies to sell these products, and I've done it, but I'll only endorse something or tell you about it if I believe it's worth it. Like I did a video recently, I was given an all power station. It was a great power station, and I did an honest review about it. I don't have it anymore because it wasn't great for me, and I did say that in the review. I said it's a good power station and all the plus points, but it's too big for me, so I sold it, right? And I kept the smaller one, which is more portable, but that's a whole different thing. So I'll endorse something if I think it's worth giving you that information, and if I think it's worth buying for whatever. But it just came to me, and I thought, I was watching this video and I thought, people are going to watch this and think that's the way to do it. It had its plus points, obviously, because it was very easy to install. There was like, you know, and all that kind of thing. But the money it cost, wow! I was like, you can get so much bigger power and better if you just do it, I say the old way, the traditional way, the way that everyone does it. And there's a reason that everyone does it that way, most people. Obviously it depends on your van requirements and on your power requirements. It might be something you just, you know, want to do, but I just thought the information, the video was good and the information was good, but I just felt it like it was a little bit misleading, and I just wanted to make people aware of that, because I just want to like help you guys, you know. I don't know what else to say about it. That was just my point with it, and I thought I'd share that. It's just like, if you're looking at these videos and stuff, just like maybe do a bit more research and just ask some other van lifers and other people that have got experience in it, before you go and spend crazy amounts of money on stuff that's probably not gonna fill your needs, depending on what they are. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there. God bless you. Don't forget to visit our Etsy shop. New stock coming. And yeah, see you in the next one.
We'll ride these roads forever. Side by side we'll chase the sweetest moments whispered in unknown space. With laughter and loving every turn we take. This band called Amazing Grace, no chance will break. So here's to the journey, every twist and turn. With T-Bone beside me, there's so much to learn. Living life simple with the sun in the eyes, cause man, all the legends going to take us to the sky. We'll ride these roads forever. Side by side we'll chase the sweetest moments whispered in our little space. With laughter and loving every turn we take. This band called Amazing Grace, no chance will break.